Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel things out of cardboard. First, gather your essential supplies. You will need sturdy cardboard, a sharp craft knife, and a reliable adhesive like hot glue or strong craft glue. Also, prepare a cutting mat to protect your surfaces, a ruler for precise measurements, and a pencil for marking. Having clear reference images of your desired Marvel item is crucial for accuracy. Now, let's move on to the design and cutting phase. Begin by sketching the individual components of your Marvel item directly onto the cardboard. Pay close attention to the scale and proportions to ensure an accurate representation. Use a sharp craft knife and a metal ruler to make precise, clean cuts. Remember, careful cutting is key to a professional-looking finish. For extra durability, cut out 2 or 3 identical pieces for critical sections. With all your pieces cut, it's time for assembly and reinforcement. Carefully glue the cardboard components together, ensuring they align perfectly. Allow sufficient drying time for the adhesive to create a strong bond. For added durability, reinforce all joints and stress points with extra strips of cardboard or generous beads of hot glue. To form curves, gently score one side of the cardboard and slowly bend it into the desired shape, then secure it with glue. Finally, let's focus on the finishing touches and detailing. Smooth any rough edges or visible seams using fine grit sandpaper or by applying a thin layer of craft filler. Once dry, apply a primer coat to the entire piece. This helps the paint adhere better and provides a uniform base. Then, use acrylic paints to bring your Marvel creation to life, adding all the intricate details and colors that make it recognizable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.